Welcome to Saussy Burbank's Acorn Floor Plan, located in Summerville, South Carolina. This gorgeous home, with its wraparound porch, features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, with an optional loft space or 5th bedroom. Let's go inside. Walking in, you're greeted by a beautiful alcove foyer with 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot door frames. From its open view, you can see straight into the living room and these beautiful hardwood floors. You can choose from laminate to full hardwood floors if you like, as an upgrade. Your dining room is offset to the left in this floor plan. There are open sightline views from the stairwell and a large island with this kitchen. Now this kitchen in this home is in the middle of construction, and the homeowner themselves have chosen not to install additional cabinetry here and here. They are going to do some floating shelves, but typically you have cabinetry all the way around the vent-hood. Also for this client, because Saussy Burbank is a semi-custom builder, they have requested an additional counter space as they wanted more eat-in area for entertaining. Check out the gorgeous slab granite that they chose. Saussy Burbank offers many choices and selections for appliances, such as this beautiful 5-burner stove, as well as vent-hoods, countertops, backsplashes. Check out that farm sink and cabinetry. As you can see, the hardware has not been installed yet. And just know that this is an upgraded gourmet kitchen, with great sight lines of the living room with recessed lighting and fireplace. Again, the fireplace is optional. The great thing about this floor plan is there's lots of storage. Right here is your butler's pantry. Again, this home is under construction and should be completed very soon. More along the line with that storage, here's a coat closet to service both folks using the back or rear entrance as well as the front. This is also your entrance into the half bath. You have an extra large space for the laundry. And Saussy Burbank, being semi-custom, are able to do these great built-ins for a drop zone. I love the shiplap look. And again, check out the height of those doors. The fantastic part about the Acorn floor plan is the fact that it has a master down. It's a large master. In this one we have recessed lighting, and those hardwoods have carried out, as well as you have a huge master closet. Granted, this one isn't done yet. The shelving hasn't been installed, but it will be. You're gonna love this bathroom, though it's not complete. You can imagine how it's gonna turn out. You have a beautiful pedestal tub with frameless glass shower, tile surround, tile on the floor, double sink vanity with white cabinets, granite countertops, and custom lighting. Again, check out the granite that they chose. It's lovely. I love that tub. This home also features a back porch, which these owners are choosing to screen in. Look, this is what you can imagine your Sunday afternoons like if it's raining. Let's head upstairs. Here we are at the top of the stairs, and what would have been a full loft space, hold on, let me get it to focus, has actually had a conversion of an extra bedroom right here. So this would have been one big loft space, which when you build yours will be enormous. But for these folks, they needed the extra space, so they created another bedroom. So they would have 4 full bedrooms upstairs with double door closets, still a half-size loft space, as well as 2 additional bathrooms. Remember, this home typically is a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths. This is a great bedroom right here because it's closed off from the rest of the home. So it would be great or ideal for a multi-generational because it has an extra big closet as well as its own private bath. Going straight back to the front of the home, to the right is our 3rd secondary bedroom, quite large, with a double door closet. Across the hall is a full-size bath with dual sink vanity, custom lighting. Now this is actually cultured marble, white, but still tile floors and a tub shower combo. There's incredible space in this bathroom. Everyone could share and not bump into each other. And finally, your last bedroom, your 4th, but in this case, a 5th, because of the modification, is this front bedroom. All bedrooms are quite large, and another double door closet. Even with the conversion of the loft, you still have quite a big space for entertaining for kids, maybe like a library, gaming room, playroom, but if not, all of this would go away and it would be one big room. Though this home is not quite finished, and technically this specific home is sold, we can build you your very own Acorn by Saussy Burbank just as beautifully with all your own personal touches. You just need a little bit of imagination, and Saussy Burbank can make it happen. Let me know if you'd like to see this home for yourself or a finished version of it at one of our neighbor communities here in Summerville, South Carolina. I have a beautiful finished product over in Nexton, and I'm happy to show it to you today. Thank you.